Hey, how y'all doing today? Got a new video for y'all. We're gonna be working on this thing right here. Hope y'all like it. Let me know what y'all think. Alright, we're gonna start out. Got cardboard or bones, spray foam, pumpkin head, stove paint, duct tape, and a saw. First, we're gonna start out with duct taping the cardboard. Make sure it's secure. Then we're gonna cut up our skull here. Now we're gonna do the pumpkin. Get my drill out. Take the bottom out. So you can see it already has a light in it. We're gonna cut that out. Now we're gonna mark out where we want the light to go. Cut it out. Hot glue it. Hot glue everything down to where we want it. That's nice. Now we're going to do the other bones. Hot glue them in place. Make sure they don't go nowhere. Now we're going to start with the lights. Putting them in place. Then we're going to hot glue them in place. Make sure they're secure. And we're going to hot glue the back. Hot glue the switches to the back. That's where you can't see them. Yep, hot glue them down. Now we're going to start with a spray foam. Yes, sir. Look at that thing. Oh man, I think this one's a dud. Oh, I grabbed the other can. So you spray foam around everything. Spray foam your whole board. Now, while we're waiting for that to set up, we'll do a little jig for y'all. Yeah, buddy, look at that boy go. He's a master. Yeah. Alright, now we're going to start with some paint on the pumpkin. I'm going to put a little yellow in his orifice. There you go, look at that thing. We'll make it all yellowed out. Yes, sir. Make sure you get them teethers. Don't forget to add the chain too. Now spray foam's all set up. We're gonna take and tape everything off. We don't want painted. There you go. This is that cheap Walmart tape, so it is what it is. Yep. We got everything taped off. Got everything taped off. Now we're going to take her outside and spray it out a bit. Yes, sir. Stove paint really works. Alright, that's dry. We're going to take all our tape off. Now take all our tape off. Now we're gonna flip her over. And we're gonna tape up the back. Make sure it's a little more secure. It doesn't fall apart on us.
Okay.
Alright, now we're going to use some of the old wood stain on the bones to age them a little bit. Yes, sir. Spread that stuff all over. Then we're going to wipe it off. Break down some of the shine. Looks nice and aged there. Now we're going to start with a paint. Got orange and red. A little bit more orange than red. Mix that up real good. We're going to do all the cracks and seams with this color right here. Yes, sir. Mix it. The red is to tone the orange down a little bit. Like I said, we're going to go through all the seams and cracks and put it in there. Make it look a little more funky. Look at that thing there. That thing's beautiful. Now we're going to add a little greenery. Our cheap dollar store glue here. We're going to glue it down in a few spots. Now we're going to turn her over. And what I'm using is like 3 or 4 strands of the old yarn. We're going to hot glue it in place. Then for a little extra sturdiness, we're going to take and put some of this cheap tape over it to make sure it doesn't fall off the wall. Yes, sir. Look at that man go. Doing a good job there. All right. Put a little extra tape on there. Yep. Don't burn yourself now like I did. Look at that thing. That thing is pretty. I don't know whether I like it more in the daylight or at night. I can't figure it out. But there you have it, y'all. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Here it is in the dark. Yes, sir. Make sure you like, comment, share on social medias. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all on the next one. Love y'all. Have a good day.